All right, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener, back at you again. Okay, the back's feeling a little better, so I'm trying to get out of here and make some more videos. Come right along with me so I can show you some of the things in the garden. Right here we got the Valencia Pride growing nice and strong. Okay, this mango tree we actually ignore. We don't really pay attention to it at all, fertilizer or anything, and it just does what it does. When we first put this mango tree in the ground, it wasn't doing very much of nothing because it was sank down and it was holding too much moisture. So we built a lot of mulch around it and it just exploded. So this is obviously going to be our biggest tree that we'll have to keep pruned. All right, let's take another walk over here to this right here. And this right here is our pickering. So this is our pickering, and this is supposed to be a very good mango, a disease-resistant tree. It's finally coming back to life. We put it in the ground about 3 months ago, two to 3 months ago, but the sun was attacking it so much we had to cover it just so she could rebound. She is a slow-growing tree, but when she gets there, she's going to go ahead and produce some very good mangoes. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look over here. As we come over here, this right here is a seedling that's going to be a mango fruit cocktail tree. So we have all type of grass that Cochain grass for us, and CC Love. We have the guava mango. Let's see what else we have over here. We have the sweet tart mango, the Maha Chinook mango, and these are scions that was grafted by a friend of ours in our group, and we had the 015. And that's the farmer. That's the name from before. I think they changed the name, so we got to look that up. So he came over and he grafted this seedling for us, and there we go. Hopefully all of those take, and we're covering it so it can have a chance because we have such scorching sun in Central Florida. Okay, so I started getting into succulents because of the scorching sun, and I'm trying to grow things that we don't have to go through a whole lot of pain to deal with because we have such scorching sun. As you can see around our fruit forest, we have a lot of trees that we're trying to get a lot of shade back here because we didn't have any shade. So remember, this garden is only going on 3 years old. So it's taken a while, but if you look around, you'll see we're starting to get a lot more shade, exactly what we wanted, right? So even with that being said, I don't feel like fighting with flowers, so I try to grow things that we don't have to fight with, and they can just do what it needs to do. So we're starting to get into a lot more of the cactus succulents. And you'll see I have a lot of those in the garden because I just put them there and forget it. This right here, they call it trumpet flower, mandevilla, if I'm not mistaken. And basically it just grows like that. It goes dormant in the wintertime and it just comes right back out. As you come in here, I switched some things up. We had a lot of flowers in here. They were not doing too well, either because they needed more sun or whatever. So I started putting succulents in there, agave plants. I'm new as far as doing these little succulents. So, I'm starting to try to make these. Obviously, this one right here does not like sun, and you got to learn which one's going to deal with the sun and heat outside and which ones can't. And you'll be able to tell by the way they're starting to look, which will let me know to pull them out and put ones like those in. So that's something I'm learning. Around here, we have the petite rose right here. This one right here, I actually forgot what this was called. I think money tree, right?
Money tree.
And this is a rubber tree right here. And we have this right here. Finally got my desert rose, y'all. I have actually 2 desert roses. So I had that desert rose right there. And we have another cactus going on. And basically, these empty tables are because we pulled the cactus inside because we're supposed to be getting a lot of rain. And cactuses do not like a lot of rain. So we're standing underneath what we wanted, all this shade right here. And this right here is a purple passion fruit. And as you can see, we have some passion fruit right there. And we needed this to be shaded. So we're looking for a lot of shade in our backyard because that sunlight hits us directly. And it was hard to grow things with that sunlight. Okay? So that's basically bringing you to the end of this video. Just showing you a couple of things that we're doing around the garden. My back is feeling a lot better, so I'm trying to get back out here and enjoy our garden. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Oh, and another thing. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And thank you so much for following me through my journey, our journey, through our food forest that we are trying to build around here. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.